Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and as you guys can see, I have some new hair and a new look. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. This wig is perfect for back to school. If you guys are someone who's new to wigs or you wear wigs, but you know, maybe you're not comfortable like doing them yourself, I think this is a super like easy wig to style and it's a super cute look that I feel like is perfect for back to school season. So yeah, or anytime, honestly, like I just think it's so cute. I had a bang look like a while back and I was obsessed with it, and then I don't know what happened, so I'm so excited to have bangs again. So if you guys want to know all about this hair and how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy hair videos, back to school videos, or any videos in general. Leave a comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me in the future. I will be doing a ton of back to school videos, so if you guys have any specific back to school videos that you guys want to see, then definitely leave a comment down below letting me know. Also, I'm currently hosting a giveaway on my Instagram and over here on YouTube, so I'll leave the video link down below and it has all the rules and everything like that. There's going to be 2 winners and each winner will win 5 pairs of contacts from TTDI. So if you're interested in that, I'll have it linked down below. Also, if you guys are wondering, my shirt is from Homesick, which is actually one of my friend's brands. I'll have that also linked down below in their Instagram. It just says Millionaires Moms Club and I think it's so cool. And then I'm just wearing this DIY chain. So I think that's everything that I'm probably gonna get asked down below. Without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm first gonna show you kind of what the hair looks like now. This is a lace front wig, so it has ear to ear lace. There is lace in the back, but there are tracks in the middle. By the way, this wig is from Eva Wigs, if I did not already mention. And this is one of their stock wigs, meaning they keep it in stock, so like it comes to you more quickly. It's not a custom wig, and this is their see-through bang wig. So they had another wig that was similar, but the bangs were a lot fuller, so if that's something you're interested in, you can check that out. But I personally love when bangs are like really wispy and not so like thick and they're kind of see-through like this. I think it's so cute. And as you guys can see, I have some parting space here, and I'm gonna bring it to the back and show you guys what it looks like. I really love this hair. It is so soft, and I always say when anyone ever asks me, Eva and Diva Wigs are like my top 2 wig companies in general. I feel like, yes, they can be maybe a little bit more pricey, but it's totally worth it. Like, this hair is so soft and has not tangled on me. You guys will see. I'm going to show you guys how I transform this wig, and the entire process, I'm moving the hair on and everything like that. I'm not getting tangles or shedding, and it's just so easy to work with. I'm just going to quickly show you guys and mention how this wig came to me and how it was in its original state, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how I styled it and got it to this point now. So the wig came in this black box that says Eva on the side, and I already took the wig out the box, but the other things that came in the box were a wig cap. They also have a user manual that has tips and tricks to like styling wigs, taking care of them, and also like if you need to return it. They also sent a comb, which is really nice. I love those combs. I have so many of them and they're so great. And then they also sent some bobby pins and an elastic band in case you want to use those to install, which I think is really nice. And then the wig came in this plastic bag that on top had my information, like my address and stuff. So if you order the wig, it'll have that. And then it also had the specs of the hair. Now I will leave all of the exact specs down below. The wig does come, like I mentioned, with lace in the front from ear to ear, as well as a little bit of lace in the back. There are adjustable straps in the back, as well as a comb in the back, and then there's 3 combs in the front, and then there's wefts in the center. So I currently have my hair braided up underneath this wig, and I have like a little bit of hair like left out around the edges, just in case it like I want to style my hair like that. So what I did was go ahead and I cut the lace off, and then I just put the wig on. And as you guys can see, the bangs were super long when I got them, which I think that's good, because if you're someone who maybe wants to have more leave out or has a bigger forehead, smaller forehead, whatever, like, you know, the bangs won't be too short for you. You can always just cut them like I did to fit your style or your preference. But I just went ahead and I tied up the front of the bangs, and then I am just sectioning off like about 1 inch back, And I personally like to sew down my wigs just for security when I'm installing them. Like, I know I've used the Got2b glue method, but sometimes I find that when I just use the glue, like I feel like it may be pulling a little bit on my edges or like wherever I lay the glue. As you guys can see, I'm just taking some needle and thread, and again, I sectioned it about 1 inch back, and I'm just going from ear to ear, just sewing it down. So here I'm just adding some water, and I am gonna go in and tweeze this little part that they have just a little bit because I think it'll just look a little more natural. It is a little tight, so I am tweezing it, but then I ended up just using my hands and pulling out the hairs and plucking it because I found it easier. You definitely could go in a little bit more. I didn't really do too much, but just something to open it up a little bit more. And then I went ahead and readjusted the hair, and I just looked at the hairline. I just made sure it fit my hairline how I like. I took out some baby hairs where I needed, and I took out my widow's peak just because I always do that, just to make it look a little more natural. And then I went ahead and just pulled the hair back into a hair tie, and I used, again, the Got2b glue, and I just laid this all around the front, and I left it for a little while, probably about like 5 minutes or 10 minutes for it to get a little bit tacky. You can speed up this process by using a blow dryer on cool just to like hurry it up, but definitely be sure to be patient when you're doing this just so that it works out a lot easier for you, because if the glue is like really wet still, it's just going to be more difficult to work with and to lay the lace. So once I felt like it was tacky, I just took a rat tail comb and just used this to kind of push down and lay down the lace. I personally am not too sure, but I've heard tips that say using a rat tail comb is a lot better than using your actual fingers, because I guess the oils from your fingers can mess with the glue or something. I'm not too sure exactly, but yeah, I just use a rat tail comb anyway just because it's a lot easier for me. And then if I notice any areas where the glue is not like there, or I need to add some glue, I just go ahead and I just do that as well. And as you guys can see, the glue was a lot more wet and it was a little kind of hard to work with. So that's what I mean about being patient with this process and really letting the glue dry down and get tacky. And just for anyone who does not know, Got2b glue is gel, like it's hair gel. It's made to be hair gel, but it is strong enough that it works as a hair glue. So it's safe on your hair. Like, you literally can just use water and it comes right off. But with that also being said, if you're sweating or you go in the pool or something, your wig probably is gonna come off. So do keep that in mind. I personally like it because I don't really like to leave my hair on for too long, or just I like the option to like take off my wig really easily and to protect my hair as well. But I just went ahead and put a scarf on, and I left this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then when I took it off, I just checked everything. I kind of used the comb to kind of create some baby hairs, but truthfully, I'm probably going to go in and add some more. I didn't really do that today, but I just kind of did that just to kind of lay the edges a little bit and add some baby hairs and just make it a little more cute, just in case I have it how I have it now and I just want to pull it behind my ears. And then I went ahead and I cut the bangs. I straightened them first just so I can see how they're actually going to lay, which I think is really important, to not just cut them and then straighten them, because they might not fall correctly. So I straightened them first, and then I did just go ahead and cut them at first. I definitely think with bangs, especially when it's a wig because it's not your hair and it can't grow back, definitely just go slow. I cut off a little bit, and as you guys can see, it was too long, so I just went in and cut a little more, and I kind of just cut the center short and left the longer pieces on the side, because I personally like my bangs like that, to be really fringy and just to not be so perfect. And then I went ahead and just went over the rest of the hair with the flat iron. So yeah guys, that's all I did to get to this point now, and I think it's really, really cute. I definitely think I can go in and customize it a little more. I definitely can add some more like baby hairs and maybe around the hairline, and I definitely think I could pluck here a little bit more. I do want to point out that the lace, again, goes about back to here, and then it is ear to ear, so like if you wanted to pull the hair back, you could do that, and there is a little bit of lace in the back. I think this is so cute. I don't know, I just really like this look. I had a bangs look a while back. I'll like insert a photo here, and I was obsessed with that hair. I don't know why, like I guess I just started wearing other hair and I kind of forgot about it. And you guys know recently I've kind of been wearing longer hair. I mean, I had my little short hair moment, but I've been wearing longer hair, but I like the long hair with the bangs and like super wispy. I just think it's so cute, and again, I think it's perfect for back to school. I feel like bangs are perfect for either beginners wearing wigs or just like back to school, just because they're a lot more low maintenance. Like, you don't have to worry about like every little aspect of your hair and your frontal like looking perfect. I feel like with bangs it kind of masks it and it's easy, but at the same time it's a really cute style. So yeah, I am going to keep you guys updated. I really have nothing bad to say. The hair did not tangle at all, didn't shed. Great cap construction, good quality as always. Like honestly, what do you expect when it comes to Eva Wigs? I feel like their hair is just really good. I do want to go ahead and just like lay this down a little bit more. Like I don't really like my hair flat, but I feel like based on this style, I kind of want this to like lay. But yeah, I did want to come on here and show you guys this hair and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah guys, I'm just going to give you a closer look. I feel like I didn't really do too much to the hairline at all, but at the same time I feel like it looks good or decent for what it is, and I just love this bang look. But yeah, you guys will definitely see in future videos and my videos coming up me wearing this hair a little bit more and maybe styling it in different ways. Also, if you guys want to stay updated, you guys can follow me on Instagram, which I'll have linked down below, and be sure to check out Homesick because they have some new stuff dropping real soon, which is super, super cool. So again, I'll leave the Instagram link down below. These shirts might be sold out. I know they were like limited edition, but they probably are going to come back and they have some cool stuff dropping real, real soon. So be sure to check that out. Support small businesses, support independent designers. Also guys, I am going to have a coupon code, I believe, linked for you guys down below so that you guys can save some money because you know, we always trying to look good on a budget. Let me know down below if you guys like this look on me. And definitely stay tuned because I will be doing more hair tutorials and I'm going to be doing a different hair color coming very soon. So stay tuned for that as well. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any other questions or concerns, leave it in the comments down below and I'm going to be sure to answer that for you guys. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.